Okay, so here's a quick tour of the Clearview Plastics 3D printer print farm. First up, we have the Anycubic Photon Zero. That's our smallest printer and pretty much there just to sit around. Additionally, we've got our two Ender 3s, the S1 and the V2. We've got a Rat Rig Minion and the Prusa Mini, both similar build volumes. We've got three Prusa i3s down there, all total workhorses. We've got two Vorons, the 2.4 and the Trident, both the 350 millimeter build volumes. We've got a Creality CR10 Smart Pro converted over to Clipper. And then we've also got a Rat Rig VCore 3, 500 millimeter build volume. Our newest enclosure is for the AnchorMake M5 3D printer. That makes 14 printers, and we have the Bamboo P1P coming today.